Hey everybody, thank you for watching. As somebody who sells their photos, I'm always looking for ways to increase my sales. In this episode, we're going to take a look at how much money I made in 2023 by using sky replacement to breathe new life into my photos. For my subscribers, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I invite you to click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future episodes. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up as a thank you for sharing this information, I'd appreciate it. Earlier this year, I experimented with sky replacement. As a matter of fact, at the end of this video, I'll put some links up on the screen to my episodes on how I did my sky replacement. My goal, of course, was to increase my sales by replacing the background of one photo with the sky of another photo. Now, I'm just like you. My opportunities to take amazing photos just don't always coincide with the golden hour. Or maybe I'm in a great location, but the skies are cloudy, overcast, or the light is just not good. Now, sky replacement can help. Now, let's be real. You don't want to produce a bunch of fake-looking photos. Not every photo is a candidate for sky replacement. Let's take a look at some examples of my sky replacement photos that have sold very well. Looking at these comparisons, you're going to notice that the originals, they're okay, but they simply lack the wow factor. The skies are dull or maybe even shot during the harsh daylight. By replacing the skies, I was able to add drama to the photo. I could take the mundane and turn it into the amazing. One of my favorite genres is what I call the road calling. That is a road heading out to the horizon, one that stimulates the viewer's sense of adventure and exploration and makes them want to drive over that distant hill or see what is around that curve. Most likely, that's because I enjoy overlanding, and the feeling of exploration is a big motivator for me to go out into the wilderness and share those experiences and photography with all of you. Let's take a look at two big sales I had. On Adobe stock, this is one of my best-selling photos. It's rare that I take a photo in the harshness of daylight and it sells well. Here's the same photo with sky replacement. Now, this is not a great sky replacement. The sun is in the background, but the sunlight is actually at my back, illuminating the cacti. I received $18.29 for this sky replacement photo. From Getty Images, this is the road into one of the most remote places in the lower 48 states. I'm heading into the north rim of the Grand Canyon to the Toro Weep Overlook. The drive-in is spectacular, but it was done in the harsh daylight. Here I replaced the sky with the sunset from Phoenix. To the trained eye, you will notice the shadows on the right-hand side of the road. They don't quite match up with the brilliant sunset in the distance. Again, not the best sky replacement, but the commission on this one was $25.88. So how much did I make with this little experiment? Before I tell you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and please check out my bonus content at patreon.com/EWJ. It is free to join. All you have to do is click on the join for free link, enter your email, and provide a password. That's it. Okay, since June of 2023, when I started to upload my sky replacements, I've earned $75.98. So yes, sky replacement does help to increase your sales. Moving forward, as I process my photos, I'll be looking for those candidates that could benefit from sky replacement, and I'll also be keeping an eye on the sky so I can capture new, brilliant sunsets to add to my sky replacement library. As promised, here are my links to my sky replacement episodes. I'm going to go head into my garage and pack up my Jeep for another photographic overlanding adventure that I'm going to be sharing with all of you probably around the end of April. Take care, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week.